be recovered and back with her cubs once again.
The capture work we do is really important. Really get an understanding of what habitats are essential for these animals. The collar work that we do allows us to understand habitat use. The video collar work that we're doing allows us to understand specifically what the bears are doing at these habitats. And we can also look at what bears are doing when the sea ice is breaking up in the spring and summer, when it's reaching its minimum in September.
The collar cams capture remarkable footage of polar bear behavior.
We can see how a bear is navigating through a landscape that's maybe more fragmented, how much time it's spending swimming. How successful it is hunting.
Over the past 5 years, for a very good reason, they were hunting. Bears need an average of 4.5 pounds of blubber per day to survive, and most of that blubber comes from the ring seal.
A ring seal, for example, is 50% fat by body weight, so it's an incredibly rich source, and that has allowed polar bears to become the largest bears in the world.
To feed themselves and their cubs, they must catch on average 1 seal every week.